Partner opens 1 no trump. You hold 5 spades, 4 hearts, and enough strength for game. You bid Stayman. Partner answers 2 diamonds. Now what? Do you bid your 5-card major? Do you settle for 3 no trump? And if the partnership belongs in a major, which hand should declare? That is the problem at the center of this lesson. We will first look at the traditional methods and the problems they can create. Then we will introduce Smolen, one of the most widely used extensions of Stayman, and see why many partnerships prefer it. So, let's begin with the hand that creates the problem. Start with this responder hand. Responder has 5 spades, 4 hearts, and enough strength to insist on game opposite a strong 1 no trump. The hand wants to check both majors. A 4-4 heart fit may be the best contract. If opener does not have 4 hearts, a 5-3 spade fit may be the better choice. And if neither fit exists, 3 no trump remains available. The bidding method must help opener choose among those contracts. There are 3 familiar ways to handle a game-forcing 5-4 hand in the majors. First, transfer to the 5-card major, then bid the 4-card major. This describes both suits, and opener will declare a spade contract. But if opener raises hearts, responder becomes declarer in the 4-4 fit. Second, begin with Stayman, and after 2 diamonds, jump naturally in the 5-card major. This keeps the search for a 4-4 fit, but responder will declare if the partnership later plays 4 spades. Third, use Smolen. Smolen also starts with Stayman, but responder jumps in the 4-card major. That allows opener to bid responder's 5-card major first, so opener declares the 5-3 fit. The hand itself is the same. What changes is how the partnership describes the shape, and which hand becomes declarer. The convention is named after American expert Mike Smolen. Its purpose is narrow, which is one reason it is easy to use. After 1 no trump, Stayman, and opener's 2 diamond denial, a jump to 3 of a major shows 4 cards in that major and 5 in the other. The bid looks backward because responder names the shorter major, but that is the whole point. Responder shows the pattern. Opener decides between 3 no trump and responder's 5-card major. If opener has 3-card support, opener bids the 5-card major and becomes declarer. If opener has only 2-card support, opener usually chooses 3 no trump. Smolen, therefore, keeps the useful part of Stayman, looking for the 4-4 fit first, and still lets the strong no trump hand declare a 5-3 fit. Responder starts with Stayman. 2 diamonds denies a 4-card major. 3 hearts is Smolen, 4 hearts, 5 spades, and game-forcing values. Opener has 3 spades, so opener bids 3 spades to confirm the 5-3 fit. Opener does not jump directly to 4 spades because 3 spades keeps the auction below game. That leaves responder room to show whether the hand has only enough strength for game or has additional slam interest. With a normal game-going hand, responder raises to 4 spades. With extra strength and suitable controls, responder can make a Q bid and begin a slam try. Responder raises to game. The partnership has found the 8-card spade fit, and the strong hand is declarer. Compare that with the natural Stayman method. Both auctions can locate spades. With the natural method, responder has introduced spades. With Smolen, opener introduces spades. That can protect honors in the no-trump hand from the opening lead. Responder again uses 3 hearts to show 4 hearts and 5 spades. This time, opener has only 2 spades. There is no 8-card major suit fit, so opener signs off in 3 no-trump. Smolen does not force the partnership into responder's major. It gives opener enough information to choose the game. Now responder has 5 hearts and 4 spades. The Smolen bid is 3 spades, the 4-card major. That shows 5 hearts. Opener has 3-card heart support, but cannot bid 3 hearts because the option is already at 3 spades. So, opener bids 4 hearts and becomes declarer. The memory aid is simple. At the 3 level, bid the 4-card major and show 5 in the other. The next distinction is essential. Smolen is a 3-level jump and is game forcing. A 2-level rebid is not Smolen. Consider this responder hand. In one natural structure, after opener denies a major, responder bids the 5-card major without jumping. The non-jump keeps the auction below game and lets opener pass, invite further, or raise with suitable values and support. Why bid 2 hearts instead of 2 no-trump? 2 no-trump would invite game, but it would not show the 5-card heart suit. Opener has denied a 4-card major, but opener may still hold 3 hearts. By bidding 2 hearts, responder keeps open the possibility of finding a 5-3 heart fit. With 3 hearts and enough strength, opener can raise hearts. Without heart support, opener can return to no trump when appropriate. There is an important system warning. Some partnerships use this same sequence for crawling Stayman. The auction is identical, but the strength and purpose are completely different. Your partnership must choose one meaning. The sequence cannot show both an invitational hand and a weak escape. The previous video on garbage Stayman and crawling Stayman explains the weak treatment in detail. Before we finish, consider one more Stayman auction. What does 3 diamonds mean? Now replace 3 diamonds with 3 clubs. What does that bid mean? There is no single answer. Depending on the partnership's methods, a 3-level minor rebid may be natural, invitational, game-forcing, slam-oriented, or part of an artificial system for describing other hand patterns. The same auction can therefore have very different meanings from one partnership to another. And these are only 2 examples. Responder has many possible continuations after opener answers Stayman, and several different systems have been developed to handle them. That subject deserves a separate lesson. In a future video, we will compare some of the most useful methods and examine what responder's second bid can show after Stayman. For this lesson, we will stop with Smolen. And with that, our 3-part Stayman miniseries is complete. This brings our 3-part Stayman miniseries to an end. We began with core Stayman, continued with garbage and crawling Stayman, and finished with Smolen and game-going 5-4 major hands. A practice video based on this lesson will follow, so you can work through the auctions with complete hands. And later, we will return to the wider subject of responders' continuations after Stayman. If this series has helped you understand Stayman more clearly, please give the video a like and subscribe to BridgeLab. And let me know in the comments which Stayman continuation you would most like to see explained next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.